NDC for the pono blue film. Any trumu-trumu nsembi ako share your curriculum. Na curriculum ni muno. Don't get it twisted. Emma obia and catch say a mistake. Any mistake. Because no, before anything comes out, before anything comes out, every go through approval, no, it goes through various checks. For Ministry of Education. Ministry of Education, including the Minister Haruna Idrisu, and in the Deputy Clement Apak. Some of them, Krano, it goes to as far as cabinet. Before those things are taken and I want to share a curriculum because they are important. I don't know what to say. Identity. Say where you ba, where you bema. It requires sometimes cabinet level approval. And to me, say US say no. Donald Trump ebe your man penny no. On my passport, mom see gender. They only know about 2 gender, male or female. So most of these choice decisions, no, it requires presidential level approval. And say the curriculum be by. Na sa curriculum ne mono. Trumu-trumu eshem. Pono eshem no. Na obi beka say mistake. Enye mistake biya. John Mahama onim hubi. Haruna Idrisu onim hubi. And that reminds me. Asembia obi kae. Ebra Haruna Idrisu appointment ebaye no. Ipa no ka say den. Or see, John Mahama is setting up Haruna Idrisu to fail. And we are seeing it. School, a free senior high school, they say there, you free everywhere. They say paid senior high school. From free to paid senior high school. Any number one. They say Obianka one sembio. Now the next one, say Mbesian Pono, Mbesian LGBTQ. Sam George ye fukesiano wa infan. Sam George ye fukesiano. Sam George ye futanka no owan. Sam George beleful no owan. Asofofo mu ohe. Pastors, where are you? Men of God. Catholic bishops, pacho mu ohe. Methodist bishops, Presbyterian bishops. Susuma sorry for Ajagraja, pacho mu ohe. Are you seeing what is happening? Say the pono, any trumu-trumu. Any mati chase say, omunkoko nkochire yema. Nkochire yenuanum. So when last year, me buy, and I was telling you, say Ghana, they are organizing freaky parties. 2025, we are last year, under John Mahama. I say, where is the albino? Moses 4 and in. Oh, Moses, him. You see me be south. More here. Last year, Madam for big catcher. Oh, see. Yeah, be organized say a friend of freaky parties. 2025, no, mama. Abayamba no. It's a freaky party, no. I say, like in houses. I took or do get on the man. Now I do phone free with them. First thing they say, you do phone free with them. And once you do phone free with them, whatever happens in Rome remains in Rome. And no. You see, all rasa fear anymore. Say gay na upe obenyebi. Say lesbian na upe obenyebi. Say upe gay ni lesbian obenyebi. Say upe threesome obenyebi. Say upe foursome obenyebi. Ghana ya. We national security for because omunim hu bi yana. Because omunim hu bi. But this is happening. And why won't this happen when John Mahama Haruna Idrisu, NDC are able to sneak in Pononi LGBTQ into our curriculum. Why won't it happen? And Anka MPP for anye sharp. I can them. I who they there. Anka Nicodemously to be teaching our children. Say Bema ni Bema timida. That's wrong. Obani obatimida. That's wrong. Now me say, me voice say. Me say me ni me feel. But me hunam din way. Hunam din way. Na say Mike who me say me why na kono. Me why a kono say saying. Say Mike, me why you are kono say saying. You look at people like Auntie Emily Mu. You look at it, people like Mamimu. We need Dr. Baumyamu. They are even people who are elderly women, or they are still beautiful. Now for me, say a bad man who didn't say me. That is what your mama wants us to do. So no wonder. You see, this I say is not any mistake. No wonder say they were going to Parliament. MPP4 made sure say sa trumu-trumu bill na our agenda no so omukodua aira. Today I come to tell me say a mistake. Ebusanfo any mistake. Omunim pa na mo ye. Omunim. Last two, you can start sending your
as obi a usano was why Jimmy into odi Jimmy ni sa na o say o fo bi ma hu say ase obi ma o ya pa o say unso ni Jimmy ni ya say de bon dam na no afa Bible was me preach sa na kum chacha de ne ye kum chacha de a o ye wo LGBTQ oni kofi oduru asenne LGBTQ yatum asenne Sam George ni Ghana biom asenne owusu bempa no mu gina so dem atitiru Duncan Williams no sa fence Assembly of God so fu ye o se fence one when winger se winger no se winger ema de omu hye wo man yi mu no isim se ase na nanado eye Antichrist. Emma ekoya ma wusu bempa gira na so dem ka se na nado say we Antichrist wa join different group wa wo mu di trumu-trumu wusu bempa kwase wusu wo gina na so dem ka kire na so men na say na nado was a part of Antichrist. My if you are good, thank you, God bless you. Because of LGBTQ, trumu-trumu. And me name Reverend Boatin, Ejinim Boatin say, she okoya kofi oduro ejina na sori manim di atem okaya jai jimino kikaze na na jai jimino mukaya nana jai jimino ewi akire ana mo kotane no say o se nana no mutu good ana e kan ntum enne edie na asesa ahodi a modi Kenya wo 2023 2025 2024 no Major, thank you so much. Already, yeah. Nana, God bless you. Thank you. When you me, God bless you. Dignity, God bless you. When you also can God bless you. I want this from Kubia. Sanko Fuwi. At the year or my no. And say, be my bill need that. Also by amendment. And now I'm your review. Nyame ya dom. Maybe ask your family ask God bless you. Near someone let God bless you. Nyame ya dom say dey ukwa super majority. The enti am say nyame nyame afei na me say abato we am trans din na magi nyame dey say nyame. Eye omni God. Nobody can change, nobody can stop nyame as ade. And nyankopon ya dey bia. We betrima choose here. Ebura dwen ne ntiase so ade anyame aye no wo a woni nyame di ni sebe na aye dwintwie so hwa bato ekwo 2024 no a nyankopon ayade bi wo man kronkron ga na mu a amanfo adwen ma asoma me man wadwen koso sisi antie se utie okwan a asofo akandifo NDC no supporters ye o man no ni nsem o kae edi gu aban na o te kunwa so ne especially Dr. Mamu ba o me ahufin na etimi titire o mko ne fae no na Ghana fo ji tu mu wie no tie ne yiw ne Nyankopɔn se da bi saa nkrofo we na omoye medɔba omoso maninti meka kire ozu bempa se ko ka kire Ghana fo na se papa we eya kuma panti memena sa be president na oba saa mo hawo ni nyina no wa be solve enti Nyankopɔn na ehusu bempa kasai alo ka kire no wasi wusu enti so hwa ensemo a omode accuse former president no saa o hawo ni nyindara ehwa ba frase so saa LGBTQ one of the key asofo gira so pa e waso dem ti Nyankopɔn ma o mbaye no na o expect the same saa asofo no enti Nyankopɔn pese o expose wom nyame pese o ma yehu se saa nkofo we na emfiri nyame na onum se wa ma Dr. Mamu bo me antrenchiri na otoa so a saa nkwasiafo we na ebe se hu so me asofo emi Kofi Oduro mi ma no friend sofo da because we jimi for me friend say kum chacha na ka majim mi Kofi kum chacha sofo Nicholas minimum pa ni dia kasa ye de friend no Nicholas abuawi na wo hwa sofo a wo mu gigire mu tintintinti ka ayiwe na chire no mu na tiada nyame na yesa wo a wo se meboa no fo adwe kwa chire din nyame na ayo msa na nyame bese yehu a kind of asofo enom to man no ene agimifo a wo de title na tom so we asofo e wo kronum so say nyame so expose wo mu na wa expose wo big time enti so hwe ya esemo mo kade baba wa no nyame amasa no mani nyina ba chiro mo kon na de enhu nyame ye ya na enhu pa wo ni se ye nto aba mo bi enya supermajority sada e wo Ghana ana wasan de majority in parliament san sha mo se samo si bibia mo betimi aye samo si bibia mo de mo ba mo ba ye ntem se be ya mo ho be ya hanti me change abato ndi MPs na amamo it is a MP before Parliamentary. More super high majority to vote and do anything you want to do. And the LGBTQ bill, just one day they can sign it. Review, they can do it just one day. Why? Because they have super majority in Parliament. That's it, the law. And the one among Tinyamiase no. Amfe mboti nyame ase nyame e the super majority amount they can use that thing to do anything said you must be now so one will say nkwasiade no mba omde say super na ye one will say wa ha ana ato events chief justice a wonyam fum so bia ye see wo tu kwan wo de ne kun aka ho akonti just o tu kwan wo de ne kun wa bo ne kun ho ka de nako enti ya pam chief justice. You know the reason why they almost be pam because they have that called super majority. Into the Parliament, they vote against. But the main thing na nyame ma omunya sa super majority no say the be ya ombetimi di adient to tuere na omuso ombetimi ayi ni na nothing. Emu wan kwen ho galamse ka ho. Galamse hu dewro mboy ni dia omo yeye anosimi majority na mama any decision bia on person will take it about galamse stopping no they can take it without any concern. One will say oh you kwada sorry no say only be the free be the levy o be yi levy no be diaba because o kai abc dia o starting from abcd as na ko yi aja say enti na do amfa di no